Hi, I'm Eamon McGuinness, CEO and founder of BrightWork. BrightWork essentially helps people deliver project management, all in the one system at the one time. It's cloud-based software. Our goal is project management success made easy. We help organizations in financial services, in high tech, medical, pharmaceutical, not-for-profit, administrative, local government, federal government, state government. BrightWork Enterprises found favour with one of the largest companies in the world, deployed in over 950 groups across 79,000 active monthly users, organically growing with no top-down management mandate. BrightWork has a great set of products, a very committed set of people, a mature set of processes, deep intellectual property. Our company was founded and is headquartered in the beautiful city of Galway on the west coast of Ireland. Galway is a fabulous place to be, a wonderful place to live and work, a talented pool of people, great lifestyle and close to the university as well. You'll find that organisations will get to a point where they'll say, we're done managing projects on email, Excel, whiteboards, coffee cup conversations, and that's really where we come in. We know how to guide an organisation through to set up their project and portfolio management. What makes BrightWork such a good company is the people that work in it. They believe that it's important to help organisations with their project management. Most of our commercial operations are run from our US subsidiary, and the majority of our customers are international, mainly in the US. These customers use BrightWork because they know they're going to be successful with their project management. We've been 26 years investing in the same horizontal project management software business. We're profitable, have no debt, and no external shareholders. 1,100 customers have availed of the distinctive combination of our Start Evolve software, our templates, and adoption services.